Hello, friends! Welcome, welcome! I'm your panda buddy. Today we're going to sing and play together. Are you ready? Yay! Let's go!
Photo book. Leaf cutter ants. Seeds grow. Food for Fido. Looking at eggs. Baby on board. Out at night. Animal groups. Walking with Camels by Paul Salopek. Long beak, short beak.
Thank you for watching. EduFam.